Hey there, everybody. Welcome to HealthWell. We're sure everyone knows how opting for a healthy diet gives us lustrous hair, clearer skin, and increased vitality. However, there comes a point when you don't seem to be reaping any benefits despite having a spotless food journal. This means that it's time to listen to your gut. It might be trying to tell you something. There is mounting evidence suggesting that our gut does more than just food digestion, since the microbes living in the gut play a critical role in overall health maintenance. Numerous aspects of modern living, like excessive stress, insufficient sleep, eating processed high-sugar foods, and antibiotic use, can harm our gut microbiome. This, in turn, may affect various elements of our health, including the brain, heart, immune system, skin, weight, hormone levels, food absorption capacity, and even cancer development. However, numerous signs can warn you about an unhealthy gut, and we will discuss the most common ones in this video. Number 1. Weight gain. Weight gain or loss without conscious effort is one of the most common intestinal dysbiosis or dysfunction symptoms. If your gut is not functioning well, your body will have difficulty absorbing nutrients. Additionally, it will prevent your body from storing fat and improve blood sugar regulation. While this might sound like the ultimate dream come true, it could end up overeating to compensate for the nutrients you've lost, which could eventually result in weight gain and possibly obesity. Number 2. Brain fog. Brain fog is another term for not being mentally present or active. Experiencing brain fog means that you will not be completely aware of your surrounding and ongoing events. There is also a chance of being in a bad mood. This condition makes it difficult for you to think clearly or make rational decisions. One of the main causing factors of brain fog is the presence of harmful germs from unhealthy meals. Number 3. Acne breakouts. There's no doubt that this sign is despised the most. If your skin flares up frequently, then you might need to pay some attention to your gut. You might be surprised to learn that inflammation from other gut-related disorders have been linked to various skin problems, including acne, eczema, psoriasis, and rosacea. So the next time you have a breakout, try getting your gut checked. Number 4. Foul breath. Perhaps it was the garlic spaghetti you had for dinner, or maybe you're not brushing your teeth as frequently as you should. However, frequent foul breath might be caused by other conditions, such as chronic heartburn or GERD. If your breath is frequently foul-smelling, the bacteria in your microbiome may be to blame. Number 5. Low mood. As with your skin, the gut and the brain are correlated. The gut is mainly referred to as the second brain. Numerous studies have established a correlation between what we eat and how we feel. One of the most significant of these was the SMILES research in Australia, which showed that a better diet reduced depression symptoms and the need for medication. Additionally, stomach inflammation has been associated with anxiety and depression symptoms. Number 6. Food intolerance. A healthy gut is a true blessing since it gives you the green signal to eat whatever you like. However, if your body keeps rejecting food one after another, this may indicate that your stomach has become leaky and food is accumulating where it shouldn't, that is, outside the gut. The most prevalent cause is inflammation of the gut, which can occur due to various reasons like stress, poor lifestyle choices such as smoking and excessive alcohol intake, increased toxins, infections, gut dysbiosis, and drug use. Number 7. Sleep disturbance. Increasing statistics suggest that a poor gut could lead to a wide range of sleep complications. You may have a tough time getting a good night's rest due to gut issues, like an imbalance of your gut microbiota, an increased concentration of harmful bacteria, a decreased concentration of beneficial bacteria. Your gut is responsible for creating about 2/3 of your body's serotonin, a hormone that helps you sleep. And if your stomach isn't working properly, your body will either be missing or producing excessive signals, which will cause issues with your sleep and energy levels. Number 8. Frequent depression or anxiety. There is a reason why we claim our stomachs are in knots when we are apprehensive, or why we may experience an unexpected diarrhea attack when we are worried. Anxiety exacerbates gastrointestinal problems. However, preliminary evidence indicates that the opposite may be true. The majority of the body's serotonin, an emotion-regulating hormone, is deposited in the gut, where it sends messages to the brain. It's unsurprising, however, that a grumpy, out-of-whack gut may make us feel grumpy or worried as well. Number 9. Irritable bowel syndrome. An unhealthy gut gives rise to several stomach issues. However, we like to specify some recurring complications. The most common stomach issues with an unhealthy gut include bloating, pain, distension, constipation, and diarrhea, and they are the typical symptoms of irritable bowel syndrome. This condition indicates a change in the gut flora, poor gut health, or other underlying health concerns. If you're experiencing any symptoms of irritable bowel syndrome, then it means that you have an extremely unhealthy gut. If you're finding this video useful and interesting, please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm. It motivates us to produce high-quality content for you every week. Number 10. Frequent illness. A healthy gut ensures healthy immunity. The gastrointestinal tract contains a sizable percentage of the immune system. In fact, some researchers suggest that it hosts about 70 to 80% of our entire immune system. Specific cells in the gut secrete massive numbers of disease-fighting antibodies. Having a healthy gut reduces your risk of developing an autoimmune disease or an inflammation-related ailment. Number 11. Chronic autoimmune disease. Autoimmune illness is often connected to gut health. While researchers are unsure of the exact cause of autoimmune disorders such as rheumatoid arthritis, Crohn's disease, and lupus, they do know that they arise when your immune system targets healthy cells, and poor gut health leads to a weakened immune system. Number 12. Acid reflux. A sick stomach can give rise to frequent and unrelenting acid reflux. This may explain why nothing appears to work to alleviate your chronic heartburn. Acid reflux, bloating, and burping are frequently caused by an overgrowth of harmful bacteria in the gastrointestinal tract and stomach. Acid-reducing medicines may promote the growth of this bacteria. In most cases, stomach acid eliminates harmful microorganisms. However, if you are constantly neutralizing your stomach acid, you are allowing that nasty bacteria to flourish. Number 13. Yeast infections. Imbalanced gut health offers the perfect environment for uncontrolled yeast growth. An unhealthy gut can manifest as digestive problems, fungal infections of the skin, chronic lethargy, or fibromyalgia. Additionally, this can result in a condition known as candidiasis. Millions of bacteria live in your gut. All of these microorganisms comprise the majority of our body's microbiome. The key to maintaining optimal gut health is achieving a balance of good and bad bacteria in the microbiome. If your gut is acting abnormally, it may be out of balance. An imbalanced stomach can result in a variety of health problems, and yeast infection is one of them. Number 14. Inadequate energy. An imbalanced bacterial population in the gut might prevent your body from getting the nutrients it requires from food, and this in turn ends up making you feel exhausted. Additionally, a sick gut might be porous, allowing toxic substances to enter through the intestinal walls. These toxic compounds may also affect your energy levels. If you're having difficulty summoning any energy despite adequate sleep, you may have an unhealthy gut. Number 15. Asthma. If you have asthma, it may have been caused by the bacteria in your gut at the time of your birth. Asthma is a chronic inflammatory condition of the lungs' airways. It impairs breathing and can make certain physical activity difficult, if not impossible. To comprehend asthma, it's necessary to have a basic understanding of how you breathe. Normally, air passes through your nose or mouth and down into your throat and airways, finally reaching your lungs. Your lungs include numerous small air channels that assist in delivering oxygen from the surrounding air to your bloodstream. When the lining of your airways swells and the muscles surrounding them constrict, asthma symptoms emerge. The mucus then plugs the airways, severely restricting airflow. These factors can trigger an asthma attack, which is usually characterized by coughing and chest discomfort. Number 16. Intense sugar cravings. Are you also guilty of raiding your fridge post-midnight for a sugary snack? Well, then you're not alone. Many people experience intense sugar cravings around midnight, and this urge may be due to a bacterial imbalance in your intestines. Believe it or not, bacteria have the potential to influence our food appetites, blood sugar levels, and our ability to resist the impulse to overeat. Number 17. Thyroid disorders. The gut microbes are responsible for producing and activating thyroid hormones. Inflammation of the gut can intensify thyroid diseases, along with the troubling symptoms associated with hypothyroidism and hyperthyroidism. Healing your stomach with a nutritious diet will surely help you deal with thyroid issues. Number 18. Heartburn. Heartburn is a burning sensation in the chest that is a symptom of acid reflux. Typically, the burning occurs in the center of the chest, slightly behind the sternum or breastbone. Resting flat or on your right side can trigger heartburn or make it worse. Heartburn is frequently aggravated during pregnancy, but several people seem to experience it if they have a gut problem. Heartburn affects a significant number of individuals, and there are numerous over-the-counter drugs and home remedies available to cure it. However, the best cure would be to cater to your gut health. So do you think you have an unhealthy gut? Do you frequently experience any signs mentioned on our list? Let us know in the comments section below. Here are 2 videos you might find interesting. Feel free to choose the one you like. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like and share the video with your friends. And for more interesting videos on health, then please subscribe to our channel.